Hey, what's up? Sorbet on this side. Alright, let's talk about business, okay? See, when we have to increase our business or our client's business, whatever it is, it always gets down to the numbers. If we are able to increase the numbers, we are able to increase the business. If we are not able to increase the numbers, we cannot increase the business. It's as simple as that. And when I talk about the numbers, I'm talking about the sales, I'm talking about the leads, right? So the number of leads, the number of sales that you are getting, that is where your business is heading. So ultimately, the number one thing when it comes down to growing your business is how you can optimize your conversions, because of which you can increase your conversions, whether it is your leads, whether it is your sales. Now, when it comes to optimizing your conversions, the biggest conversion optimization hack when it comes to increasing your conversions is your headline. I mean, that's like the end thing. There's nothing that is bigger than this when it comes to increasing your headlines. So the page headline that you have, whatever, whether it's a webinar registration page, whether it's let's say sales page, a replay page, whatever it is, this is the most important thing. So David Ogilvy had this particular saying that on the average, 5 times as many people read the headline as read the body copy. So when you have written your headline, you have spent 80 cents out of your dollar. So this is the importance of a headline when it comes to your landing page, right? So for example, the thing that I'm referring to is this. So this is a screenshot that I've taken of our AI page, and this is the headline. Okay, this is the headline. This is the first thing that a person is going to read, and because of this, they are going to decide whether they are going to read the entire page or not. For example, this is the screenshot of the FlexiFunnels page. So this is the headline. Now, because of this, a person is going to decide whether they are going to read the entire page or not, right? My own personal experience is there was a sales page of mine that was converting at 3%. That means that if 100 people were coming to the page, 3 people were buying the product. We changed the headline. We did not change anything else, nothing else. Just by changing the headline, that single page started converting at 12%. Think about it. Now out of 100 people who were coming to the page, 12 people were making the purchase. Now that's the difference of of a business that was just about to shut down versus a business that is now fully profitable. Think about it. If the product price is, let's say, let's say if the product price is 25,000 rupees, just an example. So if 100 people were coming to the page, the revenue that was generated was 75,000 rupees. And now, just by changing the headline, without doing anything else, not by changing the product, not by changing the service, not by changing anything, now my revenue has increased to 3 lakh rupees instead of 75,000 rupees, just by changing a single headline on top of the page. And this is my own personal experience. This is a conversion difference of 4 times. Okay, 4 times the conversions have went up 4 times. There is one more case study that I am aware of, in which the conversions went up to 10 times. Okay, have a look at this. So there was a page in which there were 2 versions of the page. Number one, there was a page for males. Number 2, there was a page for females, and the headline of that particular page was "Bring sex in your life," and for the females, it was "Bring love in your life." And now, something was done, something magical was done to the headline, and the conversions went up by 10 times. Okay, have a look at this. So this headline was changed from "Bring sex in your life" to "Brings sex in your life." And this headline was changed from "Bring love in your life" to "Brings love in your life." And the conversions went up by 10 times. 10x difference. Do you understand the logic? I mean, this is something which is like, you need to pay special attention when you are writing your headline more than anything else. And even more important is that you need to continuously split test your page headline and track the conversion difference. If you're doing that, you will always be seeing a massive difference in your conversions, or at least some difference in your conversions, and gradually you will reach a good converting headline that will start producing maximum results for you. Truth is that, I mean, this is not an exaggeration. All your dreams and goals are maybe just a good headline away. I mean, it's a little bit exaggeration, I agree, but in some of the cases, for example, the two case studies that I just shared with you before, right, 4-time conversion difference and 10-time conversion difference, in these cases it's not exaggeration. I mean, just by changing the headline without changing anything else, the conversion went up. Now, a quick formula for writing the headlines, okay? So this is how you need to write down the headlines. Number one, you need to put the main benefit, and then you need to put without, and then you need to remove the key objection. So there is always a main benefit for your customers when it comes, when they purchase your product, and there is always a key objection that is always there in your mind. So you need to talk about the main benefit, and you need to kill down the key objection. Let's have a look at this. For example, lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days without exercising. So the main benefit is 7 kg weight in 10 days, lose 7 kg weight in 10 days. And the objection is, because a lot of people have this objection in their mind that they don't want to exercise, so I have killed the objection over here without exercising. And now I have the attention of such people. Now, we can try to make it better, okay? Let's talk about making it better. So main benefit plus another huge benefit, now without the main key objection. Lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days, gain confidence, look better without exercising. Now this is something which is a little bit better, and just by doing this, I can expect an increase in my conversions. Okay, how about we do a little bit more tweaking? Main benefit plus another huge benefit without main key objection and another objection. Alright, lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days, gain confidence, look better without exercising and without leaving your favorite food. Right? Do you get it? So now, when I'm just talking about without exercising, I am catering to a certain kind of audience, let's say, who don't want to exercise, but some of them still have this objection in their mind that, hey, I don't want to leave my favorite food, because they know that, a lot of times, a number of times when they have tried weight loss before, just because of the fact that they get attracted to their favorite food again, they are not able to continue on their weight loss journey. And now in this headline, I have talked about the two major benefits, and I have killed these two major objections that people have in their mind when it comes to losing the weight. Does this make sense? Right? Let me know in the chat box if this is making sense to you. And now what I can do is I can come up with multiple variations of this. That's what, this is what I was telling you, that we need to keep testing the headline. Lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days, gain confidence, look better without hitting the gym. So in the previous version, it was without exercising. In this version, it is without hitting the gym. And let me tell you one thing, that the number of times you will keep on tweaking your headline, you will always see some sort of difference in your conversions, and without leaving your favorite food. Another one would be lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days, gain confidence, look better while eating your favorite food and without hitting the gym. Now have a look at this. In the previous version, I was talking about without leaving your favorite food. So I was positioning it from the negative perspective. You don't need to leave your favorite food. But in this version, I am putting it from the positive perspective, that while eating your favorite food. So the perspective has changed, right? Okay, let's have a look at this. Split test variation C. Proven ancient science method helps you lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days, gain confidence, look better while eating your favorite food and without hitting the gym. So if you will see, this was the last headline. Now on top of this last headline, I have added one more line at the top. Proven ancient science method helps you lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days. So now what I have done is I have added a social proof on top of the on top of the headline. Now of course in my landing page, I need to justify the claim that I just made, that this is a proven ancient science method. But you realize the whole perception has changed, and now people are paying more attention to this particular headline. Another variation of this is, this Japanese secret helps you lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days, gain confidence, look better while eating your favorite food and without hitting the gym. Have a look at this. This was the first version. Okay, this was the first version. Lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days without exercising. And this is the latest version. This Japanese secret helps you lose 7 kg weight in just 10 days, gain confidence, look better. Now you tell me, when you are using that headline and now when you are using this headline, will there be a conversion difference or not? And is it something that makes sense that we should be changing our headline again and again and again and again, and we should be monitoring our conversions over and over again? Because this is what is going to make or break the conversions of your webinar registration page, the conversions of your call booking page, the conversions of your sales page, or whatever it is, right? The more variations you will come up with, you will see the difference in conversions every single time. That's the reality, right? So now here's a quick thing. If you need more ideas, all right, if you need more ideas and if you want to take your conversion game to the next level, FlexiFunnels is coming up with the massive AI feature launch, which is, which we are launching on the 17th of September. And I'm doing a massive AI launch event of this particular feature in which, the whole logic why we have created this particular feature is to increase your conversions. What I just showed you was just a teaser of what is the possibility when you focus on your conversions, how much your conversions can go up. And this whole AI feature is all about increasing your conversions. And what we have done for you, what we have planned for you, you need to be there at the event to look at the, what we have actually done for you, which has never been done on the internet before. Now, I'm giving you the link right over here above below. You click on the link, sign up for the AI event. It is absolutely free of cost to attend, and you will see something that has never been done on the internet before, and something that is going to help you grow your conversions or your clients' conversions like massively, right? You have seen a quick teaser right over here. And here's the thing, one more thing. Every single person who is going to attend the AI event, you're going to get this free gift from me, absolutely free of cost, in which I'm going to give you 33 headline ideas as a free gift. For example, in this PPT, in this presentation, I just showed you 4 or 5 variations of creating a headline. In this particular, free gift, which is going to be absolutely free of cost for every person who is going to attend the event, you're going to get this 33 headline ideas that you can use for your pages and your conversions. Alright, so I'm going to see you on the 17th of September. The link आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. It's going to be absolutely free of cost. See you over there.